Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is character. It's an A2 level noun, and it means the qualities that define a person or a thing. So, what exactly do we mean by character? Well, it refers to the mental and moral qualities that make someone or something distinct. It's what sets you apart, makes you unique. Think about it as the essence of who you are, your personality, your values, and your behavior. It's a fundamental aspect of understanding individuals and even objects. Now, let's explore some synonyms for character. One word that comes to mind is personality. For example, she has a vibrant personality that draws people to her. Another similar word is nature, as in, it is in his nature to be kind and generous. We can also use the word disposition. His cheerful disposition made him a favorite among his colleagues. Another synonym could be temperament. She has a fiery temperament, but she is also very loyal. Also, individuality shares a similar meaning. He expressed his individuality through his unique style. Let's put these synonyms into a few sentences to see how they work. Instead of saying his strong character helped him overcome adversity, we could say his strong personality helped him overcome adversity. Or, her kind character made her a beloved figure in the community could become her kind disposition made her a beloved figure in the community. Now, let's switch gears and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of character. One antonym is dishonesty. For example, his dishonesty ruined his reputation. Another is evil. The evil queen ruled with an iron fist. We could also consider wickedness. The wickedness of the villain knew no bounds. Immorality is another antonym, as in, the politician's immorality was exposed in the scandal. And lastly, corruption. The corruption within the government was widespread. Let's see these antonyms in sentences that contrast with the meaning of character. Instead of saying, he showed great character by returning the lost wallet, we could say, he showed great dishonesty by stealing the money. Or, instead of her character shown through her selfless acts, we could say her corruption was evident in her greedy actions. So, how can we use the word character in everyday life? Well, you might say he's a man of character, meaning he's honest and reliable. You might ask, what kind of character does she have? If you're curious about someone's personality. Or you could say, the movie explores the character of a struggling artist. Here are some more examples of character in sentences and phrases. The main character in the novel is a brave young woman. His lack of character was evident in his constant lies. She showed great character under pressure. The town had a unique character all its own. He built his reputation on his strong character. The character of the neighborhood has changed over the years. It takes character to admit when you're wrong. The building retains its original character despite the renovations. The play explores the complexities of the human character. Her character is her strength. So, to recap, character is an A2 level noun that refers to the qualities that define a person or thing. We explored synonyms like personality, nature, disposition, temperament, and individuality. We also looked at antonyms such as dishonesty, evil, wickedness, immorality, and corruption. And we saw how character is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word character helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn new words. Now, I have a little challenge for you. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word character and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.